looks like we have a new mystery box today, and it is the Aloha mystery box. So let's take a look at the Cricut cutie first. We have a Peacock Color cutie. This is not a new color. It's a color that has been released, but it's always amazing and beautiful to see it. So as you can see, it's a lighter tint blue. It's a Peacock Color. Let's see what else is in the box. We have premium permanent glossy vinyl. We have permanent glossy green vinyl. We have removable matte pink vinyl. This is a pretty pink. We also have a bundle set. It's removable. It's a sampler. It's pretty awesome. I'm going to use it for some of my projects. Here's a permanent glossy pink. It looks like a pearl color. We also have a Sport Flex orange iron-on, so it's good for stretchy materials. We have glitter gel pens, and we also have a pack of infusible ink pens that you could use on your polyester. And here's an overview of what's in the box. And here's a list too of what's in the box for $59.99 USD or CAD. Remember to use our affiliate link. Thank you.